Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use undo and redo option in Excel. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. I want to write here uh, 2000, next 3000. Okay, I want to go back. Okay, I want to undo this. Just you can see here above the home tab. Here you can see the shortcut option of undo. Just click on that undo. You can see automatically go back of 2000. Okay, is going back and if you want to going forward you can click on redo option. You can see the 3000 is come back. Okay, that's it. You can use the undo and redo option to go back and go forward. That's it. Thank you.